Make $500 a day with AI, no experience needed. You've seen it. On Instagram. On TikTok. Maybe even in your inbox. It looks clean. Professional. Screenshots of earnings. Testimonials. Urgency. So you click. And within minutes, you're not just buying a course. You're handing over your identity. This isn't about learning AI. This is about how scammers are packaging trust, and selling it back to you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how this scam works, step by step. So you can recognize it instantly and avoid losing money, data, or access to your accounts. It starts simple. A short video ad. Students are making $500 daily using this AI method. Limited slots. Beginner friendly. No complexity. No real explanation. Just results. That's not accidental. That's the hook. Tactic 1, Authority Illusion. They position themselves as experts. Luxury backgrounds. Clean websites. Fake interviews. Maybe even a blue-check style profile. They might say things like, "I've helped over 10,000 students. This method changed my life." But here's what most people miss: authority online is easy to simulate. A rented car. A staged workspace. A copied testimonial. It looks credible. Because it's designed to. Tactic 2, Social proof manipulation. Then come the results. Screenshots of earnings. Student success stories. Comments like, "I just made my first $1,000, but many of these are edited, recycled, or completely fabricated." Some even use stolen content from real creators. Because when people see others winning, they stop questioning. Tactic 3, Low barrier entry. Then comes the offer. Just $49 to get started. Full course for $99. Premium access for $500. It feels accessible. Not too cheap to look fake. Not too expensive to scare you off. But the price isn't the real target. You are. Tactic 4, Data harvesting. Once you sign up, they ask for details: name, email, phone number. Sometimes even ID verification. Then payment details. Card number. Billing address. And sometimes, login credentials disguised as account setup. This isn't just a course purchase. It's data collection. Tactic 5, Fake value, real damage. What do you get after paying? Usually, generic PDFs, recycled YouTube content. Basic AI prompts you could find for free. Or worse. Nothing. No support. No real system. No results. But by then, they already have what they came for. What they're really doing. Let's break it down. They're not teaching AI. They're selling your data. Attempting unauthorized transactions. Reusing your identity for future scams. Or targeting you again with new offers. And they do it by making you opt in. Reality check. Here's the uncomfortable truth: the promise of easy money lowers your defenses. Not because you're careless, but because it's designed to. Speed. Simplicity. Opportunity. That combination bypasses skepticism. How to spot it? Watch for these signs: vague promises with no clear explanation. Heavy focus on income, not process. Urgency, limited time, last chance. Overly polished lifestyle content. No verifiable track record. And most importantly, if it sounds like guaranteed income, it's a setup. How to protect yourself. Before you pay for anything, search the creator outside their platform. Look for real, independent reviews. Never share sensitive information unnecessarily. Use virtual cards or secure payment methods. Avoid logging into accounts through third-party links. And take a moment. That pause can save you a lot. If you've already signed up, act immediately. Contact your bank. Block or freeze your card. Change your passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. Monitor your accounts for unusual activity. Don't wait. Time matters here. Scams like this don't look like scams anymore. They look like opportunity. They sound like growth. They feel like the next step. But now you know the pattern. And once you see it, you don't fall for it the same way again. If this helped you, share it with someone. Because the next AI side hustle they see might not be what it claims. And subscribe for simple, real-world breakdowns of scams, so you stay one step ahead.